Hi there, today I am going to teach you how to make cool pattern art. Okay, let's begin now. Delete costume 2 and delete the entire cat spray. Now, draw anything you want. I'll draw a red circle. Now, add a pen and drag out the white flag clicked. Drag out erase all. Set pen color to any color you want. Now, set pen size to whatever size you want it to be. And then drag out pen down. Now, repeat any number you want. Again, use any number you want. You can again use any number you want. If you use mine, it will be the best experience. Turn right any degrees and then turn left any degrees. Make sure the turn left is on the bottom. And you're finished. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.